How can I find my USCIS online account number or receipt number if I have lost it?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a very important issue that some of you might be facing. How can I find my USCIS online account number or receipt number if I have lost it? We understand that this can be a stressful situation, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through this process step by step.
What are USCIS account number and receipt number?
Before we dive into the solution, it's crucial to understand what these numbers represent. The USCIS online account number is a number assigned to an individual who has registered for a USCIS online account. On the other hand, the receipt number is a unique, 13-character identifier that the USCIS provides for each application or petition it receives.
How to recover your USCIS online account number?
If you've lost your USCIS online account number, there are a few steps you can take. First, check any previous USCIS correspondence. Your account number might be listed on letters or notices you've received from USCIS. If that doesn't work, you can contact the USCIS Customer Service Center. They can assist you in retrieving your account number. When you call, be prepared to provide personal details to verify your identity.
How to retrieve your USCIS receipt number?
The process to retrieve a lost receipt number is slightly different. USCIS receipt numbers are usually provided on receipt notices sent by USCIS. So, your first step should be to check all correspondence you've received from USCIS. If you haven't received a receipt notice or you've misplaced it, your next step is to contact USCIS directly. They can assist you in retrieving the receipt number for your application or petition. Losing important information like your USCIS account number or receipt number can be distressing. But remember, there are processes in place to help you recover this information. Always ensure to keep these details in a safe place once you have them. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and take care.